I am Kiranpreet Kaur from Makkar IELTS, and this essay which I have come up with today was seen on 12 September 2020 in the academic IELTS test in India at 1 p.m. Two timings of the tests are there nowadays because of the COVID situation. So this was seen at 1 p.m. and this is essay number 346 from my book 2020 edition, and the earlier edition this is essay number 347. And this book is available in the market everywhere, and all the past essays which have been seen earlier and are being repeated are there in this book. The topic goes like this: some people think that the government should pay for healthcare and education, but other people claim that it is the individual's responsibility. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So it is a discuss essay. It is argued by some that the government should pay for medical care and education, while others think individuals should shoulder the costs. Personally, I think that primary and secondary healthcare and education should be paid by the government, but people should pay for higher education and tertiary medical care. So, in this essay, both views will be discussed. So, this and then I have written my own opinion also, that I could not straight away go with the former view or the latter view, so I've written my view by writing a complete sentence. On the one hand, the main reason why some strongly profess that it is the government's responsibility to provide free healthcare and primary education is that a country's prosperity and development directly depend upon its productive workforce. If the people are healthy and educated, they can not only better their lives but also drive the country's overall economy and development. Another reason is that it is the best utilization for government's resources, as education and healthcare have a multiplier effect on the economy. So these are the two reasons that basically it is the overall economy and development of the country depends upon its productive workforce, and the productive workforce is a workforce which is healthy and which is educated. Okay, so this paragraph is of one, on the one hand, the views of one set of people. Now we come over to, on the other hand, those who claim that individuals should be responsible for their advanced care, health care, and education, say that free education and health care uh, makes people complacent. When healthcare and education is free, when healthcare and education are free, people don't take care of their health to the same level, and students are also not as serious in their studies. Secondly, they argue that free food, water, shelter, transportation is better for society than free education and healthcare. So it is their advanced, this word is not needed here, their healthcare and education say that. Okay? Say, okay. Secondly, they argue that the free food, water, shelter, transportation is better for society than free education and healthcare. So this paragraph, I hope you've understood that first point is that it makes people complacent, and the second point is that instead of providing healthcare and education free, people should be given free food, water, shelter, transportation, which are better for the society. This is the view of the second group of people. I certainly believe that at the basic levels, education and healthcare should be fully funded by the government, but it is financially impossible to do so at the tertiary level. So government should and can fund education and healthcare at the basic levels only. In a sense, this would enable people to be independent and capable of funding their higher education or tertiary medical care if need arises themselves. So this is my view, and in the second paragraph I've given the view of the second set of people. In the first paragraph, body paragraph, I've given the view of the first set of people, and so this is how a discuss essay has to be handled. To sum up, it can be reiterated that basic healthcare and primary education should be paid for by the government, but the individual should pay for advanced healthcare and education from his pocket. So this is individuals. We can generalize, we can use the plurals from their pocket. So this is the sample essay that I prepared for you. This is an easy essay, and I hope you've liked the sample we have prepared for you. It is there in at number 346 in the book, and 347 in the 2019 edition, 346 in the 2020 edition. Thank you very much for watching patiently.